Mobile County District Attorney Ashley Rich weighing in on a problem we've been following very closely here on Fox 10 News. We're talking about the revolving door at Metro Jail.
Ashley Rich said she would like to see repeat offenders face harsher punishment. Andrew Perez is live outside the Mobile Metro Jail right now. Andrew, it sounds like the district attorney is pretty frustrated with all this.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, this is a concern we've been telling you about for quite some time. It's pretty frustrating. The DA says this is a problem that's part of a much bigger issue. Yesterday, we exposed these concerns by the Mobile Police Department, and they gave an example like Ted Snow, who was arrested at least 28 times, all for burglary. Just gets out, does it again, goes back into jail. Tonight, the DA is saying that something needs to be done. The revolving door at Mobile Metro Jail seems to be moving faster and faster these days. We hear it all the time from local officials, criminals passing through the system only to end up back in jail.
They're coming right back out. They're going right back into our neighborhoods and reoffending and doing the same types of crimes.
We're working very hard on a daily basis chasing the same people.
The police department, the DA's office, concerned about a growing number of repeat offenders that never seem to learn their lessons. Last night, we introduced you to Cameron Bell, convicted of dozens of counts of car burglaries and credit card fraud while out on bond. Bell threw himself at the mercy of the court last week and was sentenced by a judge to 10 years in prison, split to serve only 90 days in jail. DA Ashley Rich says there are sometimes good reasons to cut a deal with offenders, but in this case, she believes it wasn't called for.
We plea bargain a lot of cases, so I'm not trying to say that the district attorney's office isn't responsible for some of the pleas that take place, but ultimately in a blind plea situation such as what we had in this case, it was up to the judge to determine the sentence.
So now we wanted to talk to a judge about these concerns that are raised by both the police department and the district attorney's office. So we contacted Judge John Lockett, who was over Bell's case. He did not want to discuss his decision. He didn't even want to release a statement to us. Clearly, though, Judge Lockett isn't alone. Take our friend Ted Snow, for instance, arrested at least 28 times, mostly for burglary. A judge granted a $10,000 bond on his most recent charge last week, and 2 days after he bonded out, Snow was arrested again for an outstanding charge. We caught him bonding out of jail less than 2 hours after that. DA Ashley Rich says there are ways to better this broken system.
What do you think the problem is?
We need more prisons. As far as I'm concerned, we need more prisons. As far as I'm concerned, we can do just like the sheriff in Arizona, and we can have tent cities. And I've been an advocate of that since the day I took over as district attorney. We need more prisons.
Now, Rich says there's no easy fix to this revolving door, but she firmly believes that leniency just isn't the answer. Meanwhile, we're going to continue to try to get more information from Judge Lockett for you. And as for Ted Snow, he's got a court date set for next month. You can bet we'll be there as well. For now, reporting live outside Mobile Metro Jail, I'm Andrew Perez, Fox 10 News.